Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
Good morning, Bulldogs. Welcome back to the Morning Buzz. Today is Friday, March 15th, and it's a D-Day. Bulldog March Madness rolls on. Here's an update. It was cup stacking week. The Sweet 16 is underway, and only one student has locked in a spot in the Elite 8. For a current update, check the bulletin board. March is personal training month, and personal training is not always about athletics.
Alright, done. Let's move forward.
Hey, are you alright?
No, my head feels dizzy and it doesn't feel good.
Come to my office where it feels safe. It's athletic training month, so make sure you thank your athletic trainers.
Thank you, athletic trainer.
Here's Alan showing us the best way to make brownies.
In this week's Morning Buzz, we're going to be cooking some brownies. I'm here with Bernie and JM. Let's cook some brownies.
The first ingredient for brownies is 2 eggs.
Our next ingredient is vegetable oil, ½ cup.
The most important ingredient, the powder.
And now for the vegetable oil. And now for the eggs. Now 2 tablespoons of water.
And now we mix.
And the stirring is done. Now for a little taste test.
Now we put it in the oven.
So I love brownies, and I feel like they just give me that extra boost, that extra fuel, I have a basketball game, a football game, a baseball game, just pop a brownie and I'm ready to go.
And that's how you cook brownies.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learn how to make brownies. Oh my God, this is finger looking good. Iris brings us our next segment.
Hey Bobby, what's going on? You got a letter for me? Dear Bim and Toby, what is Gravity Hill? Isn't every hill Gravity Hill since hills are meant for rolling? Also, what does it have to do with the Jersey Devil? Love, Jiggly Jr. Yeah, I agree. Love is a lot for a science show. Anyway, let's talk about Gravity Hill. People think Gravity Hill is a hill where you can go to the bottom, put your car in neutral, and you'll start to roll back up.
This is really weird.
But how does it work? Some scientists actually think Gravity Hill is more of an optical illusion. When the horizon curves or is distorted, you see a hill where there isn't one. Hey, good point. Regarding the Jersey Devil, I think our friend Jiggly actually has things mixed up. The story regarding Gravity Hill is that a woman was murdered, and in revenge, I guess she messes with people's cars a little bit. Thanks, Jiggly Jr. Keep it in your noggin.
Do you think about the Roman Empire? Leo does.
Beware the Ides of March. You've probably heard this before, but from where? Let's find out.
These eerie words were spoken to Roman dictator Julius Caesar by a fortune teller the day before his assassination.
Beware the Ides of March.
Well, not really. It's a line from Shakespeare's play about Caesar. But Caesar was assassinated on the Ides of March, which refers to the 15th of March in 44 BCE. Caesar was born in 100 BCE to poor parents. Caesar studied philosophy and quickly rose to be a powerful political and military leader in Rome. But Caesar was hungry for power. This is suggested by a quote of his, Veni, vidi, vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. The Romans weren't excited about Caesar's dictator-for-life status, so on March 15th he was greeted by a large crowd of his rivals and was killed by Gaius Cassius Longinus and Marcus Junius Brutus.
Thanks for watching, and beware the Ides of March.
Now it's time for the movie mystery.
Now, did you want to see something really cool?
Of course.
Turn off the lights. Industrial strength night vision goggles.
Holy Santa Claus. Can you imagine if we had these when we were 12?
Even better, we got them when we were 40.
You know what's amazing? They're not that noticeable on your face.
Right?
Yeah.
Ah!
Last week's movie mystery was Fantastic Mr. Fox.
You're not gonna cuss with me, you little cuss. Me.
These are delicious. I bet you wish you had one of these. Have a good weekend, Bulldogs.